Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll guide you through every fascinating step of how paint is made, from raw materials to the finished product.
Late room. To achieve the perfect shade, we carefully monitor the pigment ratios, the chemical balance between the binders and the solvent.
This step ensures perfect color smoothness and durability.
Quality is tested at every stage. Only flawless paint leaves our factory.
The drying time seems accurate, and the thickness is within tolerance.
Color match is excellent. This batch is approved.
And that's how paint is made, from start to finish. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours, process documentaries, and behind-the-scenes insights.